Hold on real quick, guys. Hold on, guys. Trying to set this. Hey, you guys coming? Nathan. Holy crap, this is bad, guys. Is there like a river here?
I don't know.
Oh, here's a down fence. We can get through this way. What? You coming this way or what?
Probably not worth it, man. Just some down trees and wires on them. I don't know. What is that right there? It's probably, dude, I mean, if there were power lines there, they were thrown across the road.
Are you guys coming?
Dude, we should not go through there. There could be power lines that were thrown across the road.
You want to go back through the other way and check out the neighborhood?
Yeah.
Is there like flash on this, by the way?
No, that's why I said just when you see light, just open it. Then there's no flash on there. See, I can pick this up really well on the DSLR. It's like daytime here.
Oh, okay.
See this?
That's nice, yeah.
Why didn't you bring your DSLR?
I don't even have one.
Your camera.
Oh.
Oh shit.
I mean, maybe I could have.
You would have had the option.
Come back with the drone. Why? Plus, we're pretty close to Chicago.
Holy cow! Look on video here. You guys can see everything clear as day. All right, let's go check out the neighborhood. Does anybody have on GPS that you can pull up to get over there? There has to be another way. Tree through the window?
Just be careful, guys. Completely impaled that glass there.
Excuse me, ma'am. Holy cow. Guys, a tree went through the window.
Or might came from over there.
Hope you guys are okay.
We're good, thank you.
Okay, well, let's go check that subdivision over there to make sure everyone's okay. Holy cow, guys. Cooking up clear as day on here.
Yeah, my phone isn't getting anything. I'll pick it up.
Alright. You think we get around, Nathan? Is there like another way around the subdivision over here to go that way?
Yep.
Through here? If you can show me if there's any way. I don't know my way around here.
So,
Because I'm just trying to get to more of the damage. It's right here on the other side.
so basically, the street is one big loop.
Okay.
Yep. I'm coming down right now. So these are all courts over here. There's big driveways that go in between the buildings and the driveways.
Okay.
You can walk in there, you can walk around behind them. But this street is just one big loop, comes back
Does it go
around.
that way? I need to
I can't see what you're doing. What are you?
It goes that way. I'm trying to go that way.
So it goes down and around and comes big loop over there and comes back right over here.
Okay.
Stop sign. And it's one way in, one way out, right here.
Okay. Thank you. So on the other side over there is severely damaged too? On the other side of the street?
Over there. It's like a line, like it came right down here. So the line right down here, and probably my guess is south of here because there's parts of buildings here that looks like the storage facility over here.
Thank you,
There's
sir.
part of a building in there. That's from First Street.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you, sir. Hope you guys are okay. Dude, you're gonna have to definitely get the drone up tomorrow.
Yeah, I mean, I don't know how we're gonna do that with licensing and shit. That's just a pain in the ass. You can't tell her.
I can't adjust the light right now, guys. It's pitch dark here. There's no... You guys okay?
My laser's going deaf in there.
You got fire alarm going off over there too, guys. Yeah, this is a very bad situation over here in Woodridge and Lamont Road. Holy crap, look at that tree's uprooted right here, guys. I don't know if you guys can see this. I'm gonna get up close. You have siding right here, guys. Debris and siding. That's a tree, huge tree. Dude, that's a huge tree. Guys, I'm gonna have to get off stream here for a second. It is really bad here. Nathan! Dan, it is really bad here. You won't be able to get access in here. It's blocked off. I was allowed to get in just because of my connections, but you won't be able to get in. Lamont Road. Yes, all Lamont Road. Just go down Lamont Road, east of Woodridge. I think so. It's that east of Woodridge, 2 main streets over going down. Dude, there's people trapped. This whole neighborhood. Tree went through the person's room. Dude, that's insane. Hold on, I'm gonna restart this video.
It's terrifying. No, we're from Michigan. We were chasing the storm and we saw the.
You got video of it? Good.
I got all fingers and toes.
We saw the
So was my wife and my dog. That's all that really matters.
straight over the house. It's like wind's coming through.
Guys, it
Huh?
sounded like a
Sounds like
plane
wind
going
coming through that.
across.
Holy cow.
Right here? Yeah, I'll hide. Can you hear me? Sorry, I'm like doing something right now.